Let's learn about prepositions. Crow is enjoying his day in the forest, then spots Pitty searching the trees. What are you searching for, Pitty? Pitty tells Crow that he is searching for Thud, Kitty, Popo, Jojo, Tota, and Balu. Please help me find them, says Pitty to Crow. Crow agrees to help Pitty and sets off to look for them. He returns to Pitty and tells Pitty about their hideouts. Thud is among the bushes. Kitty is inside a log. Jojo is on the tree. Balu is behind the tree. Tota is under a leaf. Popo is between the trees. You gave away all our possessions, Kitty complains. Crow to Kitty. No, I did not. Prepositions did. Crow replies, Prep. Oh, prepo what? Thud joins in and says, you can also call them place words if you like. But what are they? What are prepositions? Prepositions show the relationship between the noun or the pronoun and the other words in a sentence. Let's take an example. Thud is among the bushes. We know that thud is the noun and the bushes are the other words in the sentence. So then, what is among? Among shows the relationship between the nouns and the other words in the sentence. Therefore, among is a preposition. Let's take another example. Balu is behind the tree. We know that Balu is the noun and the tree are the other words in the sentence. So then, what is behind? Behind shows the relationship between the noun and the other words in the sentence. Therefore, behind is a preposition. Let's take one more. Kitty is inside a log. Here, inside shows the relationship between the noun and the other words in the sentence. Now, try spotting the prepositions in the sentences below. Popo is between the trees. Jojo is on the tree. Balu is behind the tree. See if you got them right. Here, between, on, and behind are the prepositions. Here are some commonly used prepositions. On, in, beside, with, between, below, across. So today you learned all about prepositions and what is the role of prepositions in the sentence. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.